Good morning, everybody. It's another beautiful day in East Texas. We've been here working away on the bus, tearing everything out of it, tearing out seats. And yesterday was the big day when we took down the first overhead luggage bin. It was very exciting. It came down with a resounding thud, but kind of exactly where we wanted it to land. I had left 3 rows of seats in so that it would have something to land on besides crashing all the way down to the floor, and it did exactly that. Today will be a cleanup day and a day to dice this overhead bin up into smaller pieces so we can take it outside the door. But I just thought everybody might be interested in seeing the aftermath from that carnage. These aluminum panels here are a thinner material, and they do come right off, but they only come off from the back, which means you have to drop the entire thing down first before you can take them off. Also, as far as bus progress goes, I've managed to get all the way to the back wall, torn out all the fiberglass trim, and got about half of the bathroom out. I will leave out the beautiful toilet because nobody really wants to see that. So once again, looking around in here, you can see the bin and all the aluminum panels that are coming off of it. This entire bottom panel here is heavier aluminum, and there's also a strip like that on the other side. We had a little bit of confusion taking it out because there are these very strange studs, bolts, still don't know what they are, that apparently bolt it through from the outside to the inside, but to the best I can figure so far were put in before they put on any trim or in any windows. So I had to make a unique plan to get those cut out. But we managed it, and it's down, and it was heavy. And I'm also going to take you outside so you can get some idea of the garbage that we've collected so far while we're taking down all the materials inside the bus. And here we are outside. We've got one pile of fiberglass trim, some of the foam that came off the ceiling, all of which is going to be removed eventually. We've also got all of those ceiling trim panels right there, as well as all of this trash here. This is leftovers from the overhead bin doors, and this entire garbage can is filled up with bin covers. And here's some of the fiberglass that we've taken out of the back wall. We're very fortunate here because there are basically no neighbors. There's no homeowners association, and there's no zoning, so we can get away with making piles of garbage until we can cut it up, separate it out, and get it thrown away. In here you'll see that there's more plastic trim, as well as a whole bunch of the overhead lights that were over each seat. All of the aluminum, all the copper, all the steel, and all the stainless steel will get segregated out into bins so we can take it to the scrap yard. And fortunately for us, the garbage men are very accepting with taking away anything that we put inside their giant garbage can they gave us. So none of this plastic is really recyclable, so it would all end up in the garbage.